guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
Celebrating Easter Sunday with them back home. Celebrating Easter Sunday with them back home.
Nag-aaway sila sa gasolina, guys. Kung full tank ba o hindi. Nandito na tayo sa Bulacan. O Caloocan pa din. I don't know. Don't know. So we're here. Sobrang bilis lang ng biyahe. We're here at Amaro Resort. At na po yung tour natin, travel tour guide.
Hindi ka pa nag-introduce ng sarili mo. Baba na, tour guide. Baba na. Tour guide.
O yung mga bintana. Ano po? Ano tawag dyan? ATV. Bilis. Amaro Resort. Bubble Falls. So we just dropped yung mga pagkain.
Papa, ito po.
Just drop it here. Yeah. Bilis! What is? Mamaya daw tayo dito.
Kamay na lang.
Thank you po. Magpapakal.
Ikaw na lang.
Ta, parang mahuhulog. Tan, tal.
6-7.
Hi, 6-7. Here are...
Say hi ka. Sige na.
Anyways,
Kala ka pa ni slide.
ako din, super hot seat.
Go, go, go.
Anyways, Kubo 8 daw, not Kubo 8. Yes. Alright.
Ganda, ganda. Lalagyan na lang ng ano dyan.
Tela. Adobo. Rice. Fishball. Tomato.
Yeah.
Concept.
Milk school. Hindi na ako
And rice blend.
You ready, 1, 2, 3. This is us
Before swimming. Dito, dito lang. Mamaya na mag-swimming. Mag-swimming ka ba? Sige na.
Meron nga.
Yun nga. At least dito,
May baso lang ako.
meron tayong private.
Ay, pag-vlog siya. Sino magkakamay?
Paano wag? Lalamigin ka talaga. Spell enjoy. Hindi na siya letter E. Letter I na. Kuha tayo ng ice cream. Antayin lang natin. Hindi niya kayo makita, guys. Wala video. Ayan na sa'yo.
Realest things don't take up spaces. So hard to find. There on your own. Just passing through. Just pass some time. If I make this yours, and you make it mine, well then we'll see. With golden
Ano, entrance mo?
Lo.
20. Okay lahat.
Piso isang puti, tapos yung swimming ko sa entrance, 280.
Yung entrance fee ng Amaro, 280. Kaya, 280 pieces.
Ba yan? Dami naman. Imbis nakikita na ako eh. Papadeliver na lang po yan sa Lala mo. Thank you po sa mga bumili ng damit. Chari. Oh. Okay, we're going home. It's already, ano oras na to? Already 3:22 dapat out natin 5 no? But since mainit na, inaantok na, hindi na kami. Kaligpit mo. Like,
Asa pa tong ano?
clean. Malinis na. Thank you, Ninong and Tita. Yay! 6, 7. 7. Let's go! Wait, kukunin ko gamit ko. Check nyo, electric fan, ilaw, wala na. Ano? Tara na. Oop! Nauntog pa. Ano ba yan, Max? No, tara. Wala na iwan. Kasi may and yeah, tutuloy na ni Kuya. Ano na ilubad na?
Balbon mo naman, ma'am.
Thank you po. Let's take a picture. Thank you po. Here, agad-agad. Okay. Diyan, ipapasok yung sasakyan. Tapos dito na kami. So, we're here na, guys. Sobrang lamig naman dito sa bahay. Mama Mary. Then, naliligo na ako, guys. Bye! Since it's Easter Sunday, yung handa, papatayin muna natin kasi mga copyright tayo din. So, Ita all the noodles. Okay na to?
Wala, iwalay na lang daw yung
Rice. So, here's the pasta. So, dito naman tayo. Ready. Sabaw. Sabaw? What do you mean sabaw? Sabi ni Tita sabaw, dito ko daw ilagay sa tea.
Sabaw ba yan?
Yes, it's a sauce. Spaghetti has sauce made with
My spaghetti has sauce made with freshly picked tomatoes from the high mountains of Italy. What about yours?
My spaghetti has banana ketchup with antioxidant.
yummy. Nope, 9. It's my spaghetti has sauce made with So next, again, right here, menudo. Here. Then this one is here. Okay. Let me get another rando. Wait lang! Meron pa! Wait! Gusto ko din yung menudo, but sometimes nagsasawa ko. Depends on me. So basically, uy, ang init. Ang init pa siya. So, bago nilito. Let's go, guys. Next on the line, menudo. Ah, ang init. Happy Easter, everyone. Menudo, carbonara, tinapa, spaghetti sauce, spaghetti, and pizza. Oh my gosh. Yay, let's go. Here you go.